Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect SoundCloud to Google Home. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Google Home app on your phone. Make sure both your phone and Google Home device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This step is important so that your phone can detect your Google Home properly. Next, open the SoundCloud app and start playing any song you want. Once the song is playing, tap the cast icon, which is usually located at the top or bottom of the player screen. After tapping it, you'll see a list of available devices. From that list, select your Google Home. In a few seconds, the music will begin playing through your Google Home speakers. If you want to stop casting, simply tap the cast icon again and select disconnect. So that's basically how you can connect SoundCloud to Google Home. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.